$1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, round around in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Asia, and for today's video, as you guys saw by the title, we're gonna be doing a maintenance, y'all, and it's like getting late, so I need to hurry up. It's 8:30 p.m. I was busy today. I told myself I was supposed to get up early this morning to start at least like my toes, that way I don't have to like my lashes and then my nails or something, but no, I waited too late. Oh, by the way, this is my old set. I was so in love with it, but like it's time for it to go. Bye bye. But I think I'm gonna cut this down and then start doing my toes. That way when I do my lashes, you know, my nails are short, and then I think I'm gonna do my nails. But before I really get into any of that, I want to take me a shower. That way I can also scrub my feet, you know, and, you know, do a little pedicure, get them ready, because they's looking. And then one of them, look at that. Look at that. I'll scrub my feet, get them soft, bring some life into them. That's what I need to do. And also I'm also going to be doing my brows, like I'm gonna put these pajamas on and put it kind of goes in my bonnet. I'm wearing a like tank top and some pants, and yeah, we don't have to do this laundry later. And when I get out the shower, I'm usually like always cold, so we're gonna bring this robe with me just in case. Okay, got everything out. Okay, for my body wash, I'm gonna be using this Shawray Mint from Olay. And I'm also going to be using Mango Splash Tone over there. And I'm also going to be using some Peppermint Dr. Bond. And I'm also going to be exfoliating. If you guys didn't watch my video on how to make this lightning scrub, go check that out. And coconut oil. I just also love the smell of coconut. I feel like it just smells like super natural. And we're gonna take my face scrub out, and then I just need to get my lash shampoo brush because I need to wash my lashes. That way when I'm done with my toes, I can also start my lashes. Okay, so I took out a little bit of my last perfume that I have left, and I got my body cream removal for my eyebrows, and then I just got me my coconut pineapple perfume, which is gonna go so great with that coconut oil that we're gonna be using to moisturize my body with. And I am also going to be using this lotion for areas that I'm not going to be shaving, just to smell good. So, you know, it'll probably get applied like on my neck, you know, right this area, stuff like that. So, yeah, I'm about to get into the shower and change into my pajamas once I get out. Okay, guys, so I just got out and I'm feeling so good. I wanted to show you guys how strong that scrub is. This is my other hand. It's stained just a little bit, but the hand that had the glove on, this is what happened. And this comes off if you soak your nails in some type of like cleaner, it will come off. But look how stained they got. Anyways, I'm about to cut these down now, and we're about to get started with my toes. Nothing's wrong at all. just finished my toes. I'm obsessed, mainly because they also glow in the dark, which is my first time doing glow in the dark French tip on me. Let me show you. It's literally just white, but yeah, y'all, they literally glow in the motherfucking. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to clean up my nail desk a little bit, and usually I do my lashes by my lash area, but I'm just gonna do my lashes over here. All I have to do now is drill the rest of this hand off, so I'm gonna drill this hand off, and then we're gonna get straight into the lash set. For my lash set, I'm going to be doing orange to match my nails and my hair beads. But yeah, for my toes, I just did white because I'm going to have white in my nails too. And yeah. Okay guys, so my lashes are done. Cute, super cute. Anyways, I'm about to do my eyebrows. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna start my nails, which is why I'm trying to get the like stuff off so I can like get straight into the set. And then I'm also gonna be doing my hair tomorrow. And then yeah. Okay guys, so now it's time to wipe my brows off. Why didn't I just use these baby wipes?
Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is.
I don't know why, but every time I use and like do the Nair method, it literally always amazes me because I feel like you get wax results. I'm just gonna go in with my tweezers and get anything that doesn't look like it's supposed to be there, which is like mainly in this area from the Nair that couldn't get deep in my skin if I had like ingrowns in a way. Yeah, we got the lashes, brows done. That's pretty much it for tonight. So I'm gonna tune in tomorrow and we're gonna get started with this bomb ass set.
Presidential, rolling, RM, wait. Whenever I found time, it's okay. ATL Jacob. You pray for my demons, God got you. Every time I step on codeine, I get wrong. But knowing the sounds of the storm when it comes, she understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn.
Yes ma'am, because let's talk about application, y'all. Okay, so this is, well, I'm right-handed, so this is the side, you know, that usually comes out perfect. Okay, you know, the thumb. And this is my opposite hand, y'all. It literally looks so good. It literally looks the same. Y'all see that? Period. Okay guys, so I officially did my nails, y'all. This is how they're looking. I don't know why, but I kept thinking that they looked a little plain. And I think it was just because I had a lot going on in my other set. And then this is my opposite hand. It looks so cute, y'all. It looks just like this side. Look at it. Twins. And then for my thumbs, they're just like regular. But yeah, So tomorrow, I think I'm gonna do my beads because I do not feel like doing them now. However, I kind of do want to take them out. Okay guys, so it is morning, and also I don't know why, but my skin has been doing like so good. Like I've been getting like little breakouts there and then, but like they'll literally like be gone like the next day, and I won't even like really have any scarring. Okay, also for one, let's talk about me feeling like a thick queen, because I remember when these pants used to be way too big on me, but okay, yeah, nah. This is my fit with the jean jacket. I moisturize with this coconut oil, and now I'm about to put some pineapple coconut perfume on, or coconut pineapple perfume. And I also had put this, just a little bit of this sweet sunrise. Just get a little sweetness for that coconut and pineapple. But yeah, since I just moisturized, all of it is just sitting, and I feel like, yeah, doing this again. Stop. I already got new growth. I haven't been greasing my scalp because I don't want it to grow out too fast. Ooh, I can do that. Okay, so I was gonna do just another ponytail, but I think it would look cute if I just did two super low buns, like in the back.
Who got your eyes? Got you trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just a mess.
So I need to start here. I don't know when I'm gonna put these in some way. Okay, I feel like this is good.
To keep playing this, let's go back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I know that.
Okay, y'all, this is cute. I don't know, I really like it because I feel like it stands out even more. I don't even know if I want to put the gold ones. If anything, I might use it like for these two, or I don't know. So this is how much I put in. Period. It's giving bad, bitch. For real, I need to start getting ready. I'm gonna come back when I show you guys when I'm like fully. Oh my god, my friend talking about some. She said I'm on the way for real. All right, but yeah, I'm gonna tune in when my outfit and stuff is on completely. Okay, guys, period. All right, y'all, so thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and bye.